Hi, this is Sandra Henry-Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on NetworkWorld. In this Linux tip, we take a look at the column command that will organize command output in columns. For example, if you have a file that contains the names of all your friends or coworkers, you could easily display the output of that file in columns with a command like this. And you can see we have all the names and tabs in between them. Now, on the other hand, if you want to display the information with first names in one column and last names in another, you could use a command like this one. And you can see we have a very different listing there with first names in one column and last names in the other, tabs between. Well, the column command isn't likely one you will use often, but it can be very handy and save you a lot of time when you need to format data in columns. Well, that's your Linux tip for the column command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and NetworkWorld.com.